Skeezy on the beat,
Well, y'all, so much for today. Yeah, come on. Come on out of there. It's muddy. Come on. Today is considered a rest day. Why? Because of the rain. The rain is crazy. So we're just getting chores done, checking on the dog, and feeding the pigs. That's what we're doing right now. So today's video is going to end up being a recap video. A recap for all the things that we have got done in the month of September. You all right? So let's get started. In such little time, we was able to do some amazing things. Added some new people. And lost some friends. A lot of times, we feel like we're not doing anything. So I feel like a recap every once in a while is necessary for us to kind of see all we have done. I think, now Ava, why would you do that? Why would you just go and just knock it over like that? Can you please tell the people why you knocked them over? Because what? That was not nice. Face full of chocolate. But anyways, we feel like we're not making progress sometimes. When in all reality, we are. We've made a lot of progress over this month. We finished up our pork plan. Oh man. We finished up the pork plan. If I could get back on track to what I was talking about. We finished up our pork plan. We got our full bread line going to Berkshires. Well, we really didn't finish it because we need to find a tan wharf that's registered, so then we can have a registered line, and then we can have like a feeder line of pigs. Either ways. Come on, Ava. Yeah. So we got one line straight so far. So full Berkshires, guys. That's what we're rocking with. Next year we should be doing good business next year. So let's go back here and check on this dog that Amber found yesterday. I didn't give the dog a name because we're not keeping her, but they want to call her Daisy. So her name is Daisy, y'all. So yeah, they named the dog Daisy, man. I think we're going to take her to the pound tomorrow. That's the hardest part. I made her a shelter so she can get out the rain. And yeah, come this way. Why would you go that way for? You still got. Just gave her some food. She got water. Man, why they just dump you like that? They just dump you, man. That is crazy, man. How people just do animals. Look like they let her have her babies and then got rid of her. She's ate up on the side. Look like. She like Lala. Lala want to keep her. We just can't keep her, man. It's hard to have us. We like dogs in the house, so it's hard to keep 4 dogs in the house. That's not happening. And then you want her for your birthday, girl. That can't happen. We can't keep this dog.
Why can't
So your mom can't keep this dog neither. She lives in an apartment, and y'all already got a dog. If anybody want to adopt her, y'all better let us know now. It's just sad because we don't want to get rid of her because they said that they was full at the shelter. So y'all know what happens when they get overfull at the shelter. Animals are or vaccinated. However they do it, they put them down, and especially the vicious dogs got to go first. So she's not vicious. I think that if she had more food and she wouldn't be so food aggressive, and um, maybe she would be able to be around other dogs. So yeah, poor thing. I want to keep her, but we're just not in a space to be doing that right now. Now, we have rescued a dog. So the black dog that we have, similar situation happened. Found her on the side of the road. I kind of knew the dog was down there. So I kind of knew the dog was down there because my cousin was going to college and he was coming to my house and I was working him out because he was playing football. And he was like, man, there's 2 pit bulls running down the street just free. They ain't got no collars, no nothing. So like, no. So probably like 2 to 3 days later, me and Amber went to get some pizza in that direction, and there was a dog sitting on a house that was being built. I was like, there go the dog right there. So we turned around, and by that time Sasha was like up the street a little bit, and these people came out of the house and they was like, yeah, she's just been running around here. She's killed my chicken. So, I mean, if y'all want her, y'all can have her. Y'all can take her. And we didn't have intentions on keeping her, but we also didn't want to just leave her out there. So we got her, took her home. She was sweet. She actually got along with the other dogs very well. It was just people, like people. Like if you had bad energy and you was walking up to her, she was barking. But I worked with her. I had time to work with her, put her around different environments. She rides in the car extremely well. Fed her, took her to the vet, got her shots. She would poop and worms was coming out of her. fleas all over her, picked all the ticks off of her, gave her medicine. We bring her back to life, man, and we just don't got time to be doing that all over again with another dog. Uh, so tomorrow is going to be the day we're going to have to take her. Hate to see it, but it is what it is, man. Uh, Probably hurt Amber heart because she's the one that found her. She didn't display it, but she was crying. She was crying. So shouts out to Amber for having a big heart. Can't just leave dogs out there. And the crazy thing is the Humane Society said take the dog back to wherever you got it from and drop it back off. Like what? Hold on, man. So that's what we doing nowadays. The problem is, why are we not taking care of our animals, guys? Like, why would you get animals and then not take care of them? I don't understand that. If you can't afford it or you can't do it, then you shouldn't jump into it. Can't afford it, can't do it, don't jump into it. Right? Because animals are like people, man. They got hearts, they got emotions, they cry, So, come on, man. We got to do better as a whole, as people, man. We got to do better. But look at Shaggy. He like you, he don't like me. That might be your pig. Lord, she called the daggone pig a dog. That is not a dog. That is a baby pig. But yeah, man. And I felt like I had a dream about the dog. Like I had a dream that we were standing by the car and talking, and that's what happened yesterday. It's a bunch of us standing around the car talking, trying to figure out what we was gonna do about this dog. And I was like, deja vu. Whoosh. And that tends to happen to me a lot. Do anybody else have a lot of like deja vu moments where it's like, man, I dreamed about this, I seen this somewhere. Why is this happening right now? And then you end up figuring out the outcome later on. It's always been pivotal moments in my life that have changed me or maybe molded me or shaped me. I remember one time I had a dream about a football game, and then at the football game, in the middle of the game, I was like standing on the field, and I was like, this is the moment, It was like one time I went to church, and the pastor was like, something was going to happen, and then it happened, and I was like, oh wow, this part is happening right now, where he told me that somebody was going to see good in me and they was going to bring me along. And then here I am. They brought me along. And we're standing at a state championship. So it's stuff like that. It's like deja vu or just the atmosphere, the earth. Do you guys believe in like what you put in the universe is what you get out the universe? Like if you put good into the universe, then you're going to receive good back. Y'all believe in that? Is that a thing to y'all? Because I feel that way. I feel like if I put out good energy, then I get back good energy. If I put out bad energy, I definitely will receive it back. I feel like that's happened to me before. So, but anyways, let's get into a montage / over talking recap about what all happened last month. So here we go. We're in the month of October, but we're recapping September. So here we go. Oh yeah, and one more thing. I think what I'm going to start doing is using Sundays as a rest day / recap of the week, maybe day. I don't know. I'm just thinking about it. Is it a good idea or not? I'll comment down below. But here we go. Into the montage / whatever creative ideas I get into here. So tell me if you like it. You'll eventually get Skeezy on the